Hello and welcome to Stockwatch, presented by me, Evan Lucas, for Go Market Securities. As always, please have a very good read through of the disclaimer on screen. Everything in this video is general in nature, none of it relied upon as any form of personal advice. Go Market Securities does not know your personal scenario, nor your personal financial goals, and therefore none of it relied upon as any form of advice at all. It is just general in nature only. The big miners have a massive headache at the moment, and that is China. The China story now is asking real questions around global miners and the outlook for iron ore. The Chinese property market is, let's not beat around the bush, in real trouble. There has been no sign of it abating, even with possibilities of being forced purchases around local government entities and local government employees trying to prop it up. We've now got a scenario where we know that there is a protest and even a complete refusal to repay mortgages, and the outlook for property in the main in China is at a level that we have not seen in 3 decades. So therefore you have to question the demand for steel and where steel prices will be. They're already on the way down anyway because demand from the COVID crisis is changing and the supply has changed. So that therefore is one cross against it. The other thing you then need to look at is separating them. You look at an FMG, you look at a Rio Tinto, you look at a Vale, for example, they're all very heavily exposed to iron ore. You look at something like BHP or Glencore, or you look at Anglo American, they're all at least a little bit diversified. BHP is the one to really highlight there from the point of view, it is now vesting into future metals. It's very heavily done in copper. Yes, Rio's the same, but it's also things like nickel, things like cobalt. It's clearly looking at lithium as well that may sort of count in its favor against the rest. But, and it is a but, the big gravy train that has been the China trade clearly is now under pressure as they have a structural change on the domestic side that really needs you to question global miners.